The diagnostic trouble codes P0032 and P0036 are related to the heater control circuits of the oxygen sensors. P0032 indicates that the heater control circuit for the upstream oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, has a voltage signal higher than expected, while P0036 indicates a malfunction in the heater control circuit for the downstream oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. These codes are commonly caused by a faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, a blown fuse, or an issue with the engine control module. Common symptoms include an illuminated check engine light, reduced fuel economy, increased exhaust emissions, and slower oxygen sensor warm-up, which can affect engine performance and emissions control. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0030, P0031, and P0032 error codes.
After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.